Just because you're 50 doesn't mean you're burnt out. I think it's just because you're starting to drift a bit. Most men over 50, they don't burn out. They just tend to drift, not because they've lost strength necessarily, but because their structure, it slips. So in the next few minutes or so, I'm going to show you how to rebuild that structure, one small system at a time. You're not unmotivated, your system's probably just outdated. And every system, it's perfect for the results that it gets. And if you feel scattered, well, your routine, it's designed for it. So start simple. Wake up, training window, meal rhythm. Consistency, it always outlasts intensity. You don't need a full overhaul either. You just need momentum to get started. Steve Chandler calls it the 5% solution. Do 5% more of what actually matters. Move, plan, reflect. Small daily wins compound into lasting stability. Most men, they wake up reacting to emails, phones, or even problems. You got to flip that. So before you touch the phone, do one grounding act. Breathe, stretch, get out of bed. That's your first rep of leadership. You'll abandon that plan faster than you abandon your brother. So find two guys who want order too, men who will hold you steady when life gets loud. And if you don't have that circle yet, join me on School. You're going to find some guys rebuilding just like you. Wake up same time, move for 30 minutes, plan for 10, do one act of service. In your structure, it isn't a cage, it's proof that you're still in the fight. If you're ready to rebuild your second half with strength and clarity, join me for a cup of coffee on Friday. We'll map this reset together, and you can grab the free reset guide on School while you're waiting. Be strong.